Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this video, we will talk about AbbVie, ticker symbol ABBV. I made a previous few videos on this particular one and I'm making it again because I truly believe this is a company from what we can all gain some benefit, even if short term, medium term and even long term. In this video, I'll talk about why I'm bullish about this particular stock, why Warren Buffett and Cathie Wood they are buying AbbVie, what was their previous earning, what would be their next earning, and also the chart setup, so we can all get some benefit from this information. So if you find this information useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So to know about more on AbbVie, you can go to their website abbvie.ca. So basically they are a company that takes on the toughest health challenges but do more to treat disease. We aim to make a remarkable impact on people's lives. We are AbbVie blah blah blah. Okay, so basically what they do. So the thing is, we come up with a new approach to addressing today's health issues, from life-threatening illness to chronic condition. We target specific difficult to cure disease where we can leverage our core research and development expertise to advance science. So basically this is a biotech company, like a pharma company. So why? At first I will show you the chart, then I will come back to the chart so you can see that the share price came to 80 in November, then there is a run, we came at 108, came down, we hit at 112, came down, and now we are again consolidating up. I will come back to the chart later. If you go to Nasdaq, you can see that it has a strong buy and you can see all the big names here, and they have a average price target of 126.5 with a high of 140 and a low of 115. The current price is even below 115, so definitely it can go up to 120, 126 or even maybe high of 140. Okay, also the good thing is they provide dividend with 4.8% dividend yield, which is really good. So annual dividend will be $5, and you can see the schedule. So basically the ex-dividend date is 4th of April. So if you buy their share before this date and then after this date if you sell, still you will get $1.30 per share. So easy, more 1%, even more than 1% gain just from the dividend. Just buy the stock and sell after the record date. That's it. Also, if you want to keep it long term, then definitely you will get 4.8% dividend yield, which is really good. Also the PE ratio 38.5. Long term investors, definitely this is a good one for you. Also, one other thing I was looking at, so in November 2020 it says that Warren Buffett, their Berkshire, they bought a lot of AbbVie because they believe on AbbVie. If you want, you can search for the news why, but they love AbbVie. Also my favorite, ARK and Cathie Wood. Cathie Wood also could not stop buying these three stocks for ARK Invest last week, and this was February this year, during the market sell-off. So one is PLTR. We know how bullish Cathie Wood for PLTR. Tesla, definitely her favorite. And the third one is interesting. This is AbbVie. So Palantir, Tesla and AbbVie. And they purchased like 122,000, 295,000 and 186,000 shares on February 16, 17, 18, back to back 3 days, which are about 0.5% of their ETF asset. And if you go to ARKG, which is ARK Genomic Revolution Multi-Sector ETF, you can see this is currently at 742, but they are buying. So that's the good thing. They are buying, and whenever there will be dip, like Cathie Wood, she loves to buy on the dips. Now, an article that came today, March 15, and it says that AbbVie outpaces stock market gain. What you should know. I will just go through first few paragraphs. So currently trading as $110, moving 1.89% from the previous trading session, where S&P got 0.65%, Dow Jones 0.5. On the other hand, this is 1.89. Also, Wall Street will be looking for positive AbbVie at its approach its next earning report. In that report, analysts expect AbbVie to post earning 2.76 per share. This would mark year-to-year growth of 14%. Okay, our last consensus estimate is calling for revenue of this and up 50%. Did I move? Did I move? What happened? No, I'm here. Sorry. So also you can see that Jack consensus estimates are calling for earning $12 and revenue of this 55 billion. So it's all good news, right? So why? Because if you see they're all previous earning, you can see beat. So the last 4 earning was beat, and what we are expecting the next earning, even it could be a beat because they are really doing good. If I go back to the price chart now, you can see that what happened last time. So after their earning, you can see a jump again in November. There is big jump after their earning, and even here after their earning the share price was here, then there is a big jump. Now the next earning is on 29th of April. We have some time. So why I'm so bullish for this particular stock again, because you see we had a resistance of 109 roughly, and on a daily chart for last few days we are forming an ascending triangle, and I was expecting maybe it would go for a few more days sideways, but today we broke. So the share price broke that one, so now is going higher. If we look at RSI is pointing upward, also the MACD, the blue line here, is going upward, so that's a good sign. So what can happen? So if I look at the recent high, which is around 112, 113, the share price can go from 110 to 112. If I zoom out, you can see that the share price had a high of around 120, right? So just looking at the chart, it seems like we will hit around 130 next, and once we break, then there is no stopping. We can easily go from 100 to 120, 121. Keep that in mind. We have a average price target of 126, right? 126 and a high of 140. So 121 is not like I'm coming up with a target which is not possible. You can see that big names, you can see the big names and their price target. Okay, so all good things, right? So the chart is telling good stories. They pays dividend, also their earnings are coming in April, so you know, like normally they do a very good job during their earnings, so there will be a run-up. And also like before the ex-dividend date, people usually buy the share to get free money, right? So again, 15th of April. Now if you're playing with share, definitely that's good. You can always do deep buying. If you want to play with option, which I'm doing a call option, and the one I have is May 21st expiry, because their earning is end of April. That is why I'm playing with the May 21, and I'm playing currently with this one, but again it's up to you which strike price you want, 115 or 120. Just looking at the chart, it seems like it will go to 115, 120 easily, so you can choose 115 strike price. For a premium of 255, you will have 67 days to expire, and your IV is only 25%, very low, and your delta is 34. And you can see that the delta will be only higher if you pay higher premium. So again, up to you how much you want to pay. If you believe in this stock on a long term, definitely that's a good buy. On a short term, for a quick swing trade, you can even try the 16th of April, and you can choose like 115 strike price. You see the premium is only 120, or you can go with this one. You can see the delta is 50. So again, it's up to you how you want to play, short term, long term, or medium term. Also whether you want to play with share or you want to play with call option. Anyway, this is one of my favorite stock. Long term, I'm playing with call option for May expiry date. I think it will go at least between 115 and 120, and the current price is around 110. The aftermarket, I think it is also up. I see soon it will go to 113 and then maybe 120. So I see some upside, easy money, and the IV is really low. So even though the share price moves sideways, there will be no IV crash, just because the IV is very small. Anyway, my friends, if you find this information useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and peace.